Man. Hello! Where are we going, Krystal?
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
Why are y'all dressed up?
What?
你要去哪里？
Why are y'all dressed up? Oh, you just coming here? Y'all dressed up?
你们待在我们家，我们自己出去玩。
No.
那你知道我们要去哪里玩吗
No.
We're going to Universal Studios.
With us?
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah.
Finally.
Really? Ready? Oh, we're gonna go see some Harry Potter stuff. Yeah! Woo! Jackson! Alright, let's eat breakfast and let's go.
Come on, Jason.
Yay! Hello! We're going to Universal Studios! Yay! And they they're playing Mario! Woohoo! Getting ready to meet Mario, so you have to play some Mario to understand the game. That's the first game I play, Super Mario. And Stina and me wearing Harry Potter. Yeah. Alright, we're heading over.
We don't even have any costumes.
You don't need any costumes, they didn't know about it until this morning. Alright. Yay, we finished parking. We're inside the park. No, not yet. Almost at the park. We're walking from the parking garage to the entrance. Stina is waiting for our friend. Gonna give them some baby stuff. So just the three of us.
Yeah.
Daughter for the day.
Father, daughter.
Father, daughter for the day. I'm new David today. David version 2. Alright, we made it. We're in Universal.
First time here forever.
First time. It's because you run 40 laps. We can get some photo here.
No,
Picture.
I did 24.
You did. Alright, we are inside. Hands.
Wow.
Woohoo!
I'm so excited.
Let's go to Mario World. Very far. Okay, we'll walk a long time.
Come on.
Yeah. And then we'll watch the show here later today. The elevator. You're on the longest elevator. We have four of this. It'll take 15 minutes on the elevator just to go down. Look how long this is. Krystal, go into the pipe. Woo! Yay! You are in the Princess Peach Castle. Princess Peach Castle. Wow. Come out here now. Ready? Whoa!
Oh my goodness! Look, we need toes! Woo! Toes right there!
Look all around you, Karen.
Woo!
Oh, for you and for you. Open your power up band. Yeah. Oh, you got a Princess Peach one. You like it? Oh,
Ow, that
you
hurt.
slapped so hard.
Ooh, that hurt.
Good.
Ow.
You got it now. Yeah. Oh, where's mine?
Ow.
Scan your band. All right, let's go. Come here, Karen.
A little faster.
Faster. Krystal, faster.
Good, keep going. Good job.
You got it. Woohoo! Nice. All right, Karen, your turn. Scan your band.
Grab here with both hands. Big push, big push.
Push, 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 push.
Hard as you can. Hard
Yeah. Keep going, Karen.
That's pretty good. Keep going.
Keep going, Karen. Woohoo!
Don't stop. Don't stop.
Don't
go,
stop,
go,
don't
go.
stop. Keep going. Whoa, keep. You got it?
I was worried there for a second.
You got it, Karen. Woo!
Yeah, once you lose momentum, it's hard to get.
Yeah. Good job. Good job, Karen. Krystal. Yeah. There we go. Karen, punch it. Punch it. Punch it. There we go. Keep punching. The more you punch, the more money. There we go. Keep punching. The more you punch, the more money. All right, Krystal is doing it. All right, Krystal. Oh, one try. Wow. Yeah, you have to scan your watch. Okay, now tell your sister when to hit it. Go scan your hand. All right, tell her when to hit it. Now hit. Oh, too late. Oh, you didn't get it. It's okay. We'll try again later. All three. Did you hit all three? You hit all three. Go, hit everything. Hit everything. There we go. I hit it. Touch it. Touch it. Good job. Good job. Okay. So tap your key over there. Okay. Tap all the blue. Make it yellow. Tap. Over here. Oh, we did it. Scan the key. Scan your pin. There we go. Oh, you got hit. Spark the bomb away. Oh, you have to stop. Jump. Yeah. Jump. Yeah. Jump! Woo! Krystal. Wow, 17. Nice. Hello, Sinaga. Alice. Hey, baby. Baby Austin?
Yeah, baby Austin.
Austin. Hey, Jackson. So hot. You wear so much.
Hi Karen， 你有跟 Alice 阿姨说嗨，你叫什么名字
Karen Pond. We're gonna eat at Krystal Cafe. Krystal Cafe.
No, it's gonna sit here. Is that okay? I thought you want to sit with me, or do you want to sit with him? Okay, when the food is coming, then we can switch. Okay?
We're in Krystal Cafe. Bowser's here. Karen is getting scared. Thunder. Tummy time. Entire table. Tummy time. Woohoo!就像你玩的手表玩那么开心呢、
谢谢 Q， 谢谢。We have one with sauce, one without sauce. This one, with sauce. Without sauce.
Wow. That's so cute. Hi.
Austin, look. Look at the camera. Say hey. Say hey, baby. Wow.
你要不要一起吃汉堡？
我觉得他很
Join us, yeah. 刚好赶上 Studio Tour. Studio Tour. 喝黏黏的时间到了。有。Finally got the milk. 2 hours later. We're still in line. You just got here, yeah. Yeah, we're going on studio tour. Studio tour. Wait! Go, go, go. Krystal, go.
Wilderness. Have about 20 acres of wilderness right here.
Bloom house outside.
On your left hand
Bloom
side,
house. Wow. Look. 3 dimensions. Whoa. Woo. Watch. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur over there.
Oh, the one on the left.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh.
Oh! Whoa! King Kong! King Kong! Whoa! 你起床了 You awake?
It was also used for a few episodes of The Good Place, an episode of Desperate Housewives, and for the very first movie music.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Uh-oh. It's slow. Slow. Chinese restaurant over there. Getting wet. Got wet. You survived earthquake. Krystal. Wow, so much water. Look at the train. The train left side, left side. Oh, Krystal.
We're gonna go ahead and imagine that did not happen. So we're gonna move forward and
That did not happen.
Okay, Courtney just told me that we're gonna stop and put gas on this tram. So we're gonna go ahead and do that quickly. Here we go, here we go.
Oh. Oh, fire.
I wanna leave. Oh no, we're in big trouble.
You're in big trouble, Krystal.
Oh no, shark!
Shark?
I'm terrified!
Oh, look, it's raining. Movie magic.
We have used these sets from movies like Earthquake,
Wow.
TV shows like
Look to the left, look to the left.
Quantum Leap, the continuation with Raymond Lee.
Can you see? Can you see?
And then we have some drama.
Austin sleeping too.
You can also see the
Yujiang,
sequence in big
amount of
vines and Tall Jamadi.
Yeah, look at the airplanes on the right side too.
It's all designed around vision.
Look, the wheels
It's still spinning.
Right in a big neighborhood. Because it's just something you don't see.
Yujiang, how was it?
That was Fast and Furious Supercharged, the
Yeah,
biggest 3D experience in the world. Also,
Patrick finally got his lunch. Finally. 2:30.